Botou Shitong Cold Roll Forming Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited was established in 2016. Our company is a comprehensive enterprise integrating production, sales, and services. We are mainly devoted to the development and manufacturing of metal plate cold bending roll forming equipment. We have high-quality professional teams, skillful talents, strong technical force, strong and independent research and development capabilities, advanced production equipment, and a perfect after-sales service system. We have great confidence in the quality and precision of our products. Our customers' feedback said that it is a great machine, no noise, clean, very advanced technology. And it also has the features of light structure and reasonable design. We manufacture wide-range products of metal sheet cold roll forming machine as follows: color steel roll forming machine, glaze tile roll forming machine, purlin machine, floor deck machine, sandwich panel production line, ridge cap forming machine, and other cold roll forming equipment. Our export team will, according to your requirement, give you best service. Our company has established a long-term business relationship with more than 26 countries, such as South America, North America, Asia, Southeast Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, and Middle East. We are willing to promote the economic and technical exchanges with the world and establish trade relations with friends from all over the world. We firmly believe that a true partnership is built on the basis of customers' satisfaction.